Hello learners, welcome to my channel Economics Classroom. So guys, in the last video we studied about the movement and shift in the demand curve. And today we will do a new topic, that is the price elasticity of demand, its meaning, the definition and the formula of calculating the price elasticity. So let us start our topic for today. So first we will do the meaning of the price elasticity of demand. The price elasticity basically measures the responsiveness of demand of a good to a change in its price. So responsiveness means that how much change in the demand of a good occurs due to the change in its price. That how much response the quantity demanded or the demand gives due to the change in the price of that particular good. So this is what is measured by the price elasticity of demand. And the price elasticity of demand is computed as the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in the price. So we calculate the price elasticity of demand by dividing the percentage change in quantity demanded by the percentage change in the price. And the percentage changes are independent of units. And guys, remember one thing, that price elasticity is always a negative. This is because of the inverse relationship between the price and the quantity demanded. And next is the demand is elastic when with the small change in the price there is a very high or a very great change in demand. So whenever even with the small change in the price, the quantity demanded is affected a lot, or there is a great change in the quantity demanded. So this means that the demand is very highly responsive to the change in the price. So we call that the demand is elastic in this case. And the demand is inelastic when even with the very drastic change in the price, there is a very less change in the demand or the quantity demanded. So we say that the demand is inelastic or less elastic because the demand is very less responsive to the change in the price. Let us see the definition of the price elasticity of demand. So this concept was given by Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall says the price elasticity of demand is the ratio of a relative change in quantity demanded to a relative change in price. So relative change means that how much change has occurred in the new price and new quantity from the original price and original quantity. So when we compare the new quantity and new price with the original quantity and original price, we call that the relative change, that how much change has occurred from the initial quantity. And a relative measure is needed so that changes in different measures can be compared. And these changes in demand and price are measured by the percentage changes. So we measure these relative changes in demand and price with the help of percentage changes. So this is the formula of calculating price elasticity of demand, and we call this method the percentage method of calculating price elasticity of demand. So in the percentage method, what we do is we divide the percentage change in quantity demanded by the percentage change in the price. So as you can see in the equation, this triangle Q, this shows the change in the quantity demanded. So we divide the change in quantity demanded by the initial quantity or the base quantity, and we multiply it by 100. Then we divide this value by the change in the price divided by the initial price, and we multiply it by 100. And the final equation comes out to be change in quantity demanded divided by change in price into initial price upon initial quantity. So this is how the price elasticity of demand is calculated with the help of percentage method. And this is always in negative due to the inverse relationship between the price and the quantity demanded. So this was all for today. I hope you liked today's video. And guys, if you liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the next video, we will study about the types of elasticity of demand. Till then, see you next time, guys.